In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a template title block in AutoCAD. Start by opening AutoCAD. This method is ideal when you already have a layout and simply want to drop in a ready-made title block. We'll work in paper space, so switch from Model to the Layout tab where you want the title block to live. You'll see the tabs along the bottom. Click the layout you intend to plot from, so everything you place aligns with your printed sheet. Before inserting anything, set up the page. Right-click the Active Layout tab and choose Page Setup Manager. Open the current page setup and select the correct paper size and orientation. If that's what your title block was designed for, this step ensures your sheet size and margins match the title block's intended dimensions. While you are here, make sure the plotter or PDF driver and orientation are correct, since those can affect the printable area shown on screen. Now insert the title block as a block. Type Insert or simply type I and press Enter to open the block's palette. Click Browse, navigate to your titleblock.dwg file, and select it. You are bringing it in exactly as it was drawn, so in the insertion options, set the insertion point to 0, 0, and the scale to 1. If your title block was drafted to full paper space size, leave Specify on Face Screen for location unchecked, so AutoCAD places it precisely at the origin. If you know you'll need to modify individual line work, check Explode so the block is inserted as editable geometry. Just note that exploding removes block behavior and attributes, so only do this if you truly need to edit lines directly. Place the block, it should land perfectly in the layout at the lower left origin. If you left Specify on screen unchecked and used a scale of 1, the borders and title area should match your sheet size without manual nudging. Finally, adjust the layout so it will plot cleanly. Look for the dashed rectangle that represents the printable area defined by your page setup and chosen device. Make sure that dashed line sits outside the entire title block, including borders. If it clips your border anywhere, return to the Page Setup Manager and adjust the paper size, orientation, or device until the dashed line clears the edges of the title block. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.